If your Apple Watch text messages are not syncing with your iPhone, the issue may stem for a few things including iMessage settings, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, or even a software glitch. Let's see how to fix this problem very easily. The first solution is make sure you have turned on iMessage on your iPhone. Go to your iPhone settings and scroll down, tap on apps, and here go down and find out the message app, tap on that, and here make sure you have turned on the iMessage option, or you can just turn off it and then turn it back on, and then go back from here and go to your iPhone, press the crown, open the message and check your iPhone messenger syncing or not. And the next solution is verify your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connection. On your iPhone, go to the settings app, tap on Bluetooth, enable Bluetooth, and make sure your Apple Watch connected with your iPhone using the Bluetooth option. Then go back from Bluetooth and open Wi-Fi. And here make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or that your phone has cellular data enabled. And then go ahead and check your messages are syncing or not. Next solution is you have to give a simple restart to your Apple Watch and to your iPhone. Sometimes restarting your device can face this kind of issue. So just simple restart your phone and watch and then check the issue. And the next solution is you can just go to your you can go to just iPhone and open the watch app. From my watch, scroll down, tap on messages, and here ensure that the mirror iPhone option is selected or switch between it and custom settings. And then after few minutes, go to your Apple Watch, go to the app library, open the message app and check your syncing problem fixed or not. And if you're still facing the same error, then just update your both Apple Watch and iPhone. Go to your app library, open settings. In settings, tap on general, tap on software update. If you see any new update available, then update your Apple Watch. At the same time, go to your iPhone settings app, tap on general, tap on software update. If you see any new update available, then update your iPhone. That's how you can fix this message syncing problem.